there too. Sometimes a little Dunkin' goes a long way. It's a cold day. I'm asking the guys to do me a little favor right now. So when you come with a couple donuts and some coffees, it makes it a lot more palatable. Welcome back, guys. Happy Monday. I'm so excited to be back here framing in Hicksville. Last time you guys were here, we had 3 tarps wrapping up the whole house and a big storm coming. Luckily, it wasn't so bad and we were able to get back to work the next day. This week, we're gonna be wrapping up the roof line, plywood and roof. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna start to look like a house. Let me take you guys inside and show you what we got going on. Excuse the mess, guys. I'm gonna quickly walk you through the house. We got the generator off. We bribed the guys with a couple cups of coffee. So we got a few minutes to show you what's going on. This is our main hall right here. So this is what we call Center Hall Colonial. Normally we have rooms on either side of the center hall, but this is a narrow house that's much deeper. So the garage is gonna be on this side. The center hall is here with the double height foyer. Staircase right here. The basement steps are going to follow right below that, and this center hall is going to basically take you through the rest of the house. We got the living room over here, nice and bright, 4 windows. This is our hallway going to the garage. If you follow me this way, this is going to be a mud room. We probably built a little bench over here, a couple cubbies, and a full bath over here. If you look right here, we got a massive coat closet, open dining room. That's going to connect to the living room and the kitchen over here. This is the open hallway continues over here, and ignore all of this lumber over here. This is all temporary. This is a nice big kitchen and family room towards the back of the house. And over here, we're going to have an eating area for the kitchen. Nice built-in bench, table somewhere over here. And over here in the back, we have a 5th bedroom. This bedroom is crucial for our target market. A lot of people looking in this area want a place for a family member, a guest bedroom, mom or dad, and this is very, very important. It might have taken away from the wide open look that we were going for, but once this is all furnished and set up, this is gonna be a crucial feature, the 5th bedroom with the full bath. If you follow me this way, I'll tell you a little bit more about the kitchen. This is all kitchen and family room. This is wide open. The countertops are gonna wrap that way. We're gonna have a window underneath the kitchen, on top of the kitchen sink over here. The fridge is gonna go in that corner. The stove is gonna go over here. And this is gonna be a counter space all the way here. A nice big island. And this area is gonna be your family room. We got 2 skinny windows right there. We're gonna put a fireplace there, TV on the wall. And then we got an 8-foot slider over here. This is that open concept living that people really love. And if you give me a sec, we'll make our way upstairs and I'll show you what's going on up there. All right, so now we're on the 2nd floor, and this floor actually posed an interesting design challenge. As I mentioned before, this is a very narrow house that's very deep, so we have this square footage, but in order to get nice sized bedrooms and still maintain a center hall, we had to get creative. So this is our 2-story foyer right here in front of me. On this side, we have a full bath, which is going to be shared by these 3 bedrooms. One right here, one right here, and one right here. So this was the most central location for the bathroom that we could get in. And it's going to be huge. They're going to have a tub, double vanity, toilet. This is going to be our hallway going all the way through to the master suite. We've got 3 nice sized bedrooms and the master suite in the back, making the total number of bedrooms 5. Nice big sleeping area, 3 windows. This is going to be the bed wall over there. We're going to have the TV wall over here, furniture and whatever on that wall. We have some options. You can even go with the bed on that wall depending on your taste. And then we have your ensuite bath, which is gonna have your tub, walk-in custom shower, toilet, and double vanity, and then a huge walk-in closet. I can't wait to bring you guys back here once the sheathing's done and all these braces are removed, because it's really taken away from the open feel, but this is temporary and necessary for the framing process. In the purple light, they can try to hold me down, but I'm gonna get it right. Alright guys, guys, so we're at Hicksville number 2 right now. The concrete truck's here, the masons are here, and we're getting ready to pour this footing. As you can see over here, we have the footing form set up, the rebar's in there. That little line you see inside is where the foundation walls are gonna go. Over here, we got the basement entrance carved out already. The walls are gonna pin right in with the rebar into the wall, and this footing is gonna be stepped up right here, and this whole thing across the back is a rear addition. And then on this side, we got the stoop coming off the future kitchen. There's gonna be some steps over there. And then wrapping around is the garage addition, and the whole second floor is gonna be ripped off, and it's gonna continue over the top of this whole thing. I put that work in overnight like that shit do today. I paint the pictures they can't trace, trying you get erased. I'm less focused on props and more on property. To put so much back in my hood that I change the economy. Why Long Island? That's a great question, and a question that I definitely want to answer for you guys in this episode. I grew up on Long Island. I've been here my whole life. We moved out here from Queens in elementary school, and I've been working my way up here ever since. From my first job at ShopRite bagging groceries, to delivering pizza for Mario's in Plainview, to going to Hofstra University for my accounting degree, I've been in Long Island for over 20 years. One of the things that makes the Long Island market so interesting is the proximity to New York City. As long as you're within an hour to New York City and you're in a good school district, you can pretty much build anything within what the market sustains, and you'll be able to sell it. So we stay within an hour of New York City, we concentrate on the good school districts, and we put forth the best product possible, and we know that Long Island is gonna sell itself. It's a great place to live, awesome landscapes, awesome attractions, and year round it's just a beautiful place. What up, bro? Good afternoon, everyone. We had a snowstorm this morning, but we're back on the grind this afternoon. We have a showing scheduled at 1:30 in Bay Shore. This is an organic 100% IG lead. This is someone who's been following from the very beginning, and it's super exciting to be able to make this person's dream a reality. We've been working on finding exactly the right house for them in the right price point. They're pre-qualified, they're ready to go, and we're all over Long Island. It doesn't matter if you're North Shore, South Shore, out east, we can make this happen for you too. Alright, that was good, man. Hello? Hey, what's going on? All right, so I spoke to the lady right after you left, and she said to come with the offer quickly. I just verbally presented it to her to let her know where we were at, and she said that they had a couple showings, a lot of activity, and that we should get the offer in quick. She says she does her own verification for mortgage and income, but that's fine. I'm just gonna put her in contact with Scott, and that should take care of that. But as soon as I get home, I'm gonna write up the offer, and I'm gonna send it to you, and I'm gonna need you to fill it out and send it back. Not a problem. All right, so you figure in the next 45 minutes or so, I'll get you that email, and by 4 o'clock, I wanna have that offer in her inbox.